Welcome to Vlogtober. I have a couple of organizing things that I wanted to share today. This is how we do meals here as a multi-generational family. We've had a couple of systems within this. This system Crystal came up with. She's got this big calendar here on the refrigerator. And at the beginning, she would do a week and I would do a week. And then the boys were in Taekwondo, and so we needed to change things up a little bit. And so she decides each week which nights she's doing, which nights I'm doing, dependent upon if she has to leave, like to take the boys to an activity or something. And then we just write them on the blocks what night we each have. See, like I had this night, so I did chili that night. So that seems to work out really well. And then we're not both having to cook every night, and that has been really wonderful. So the other thing that I wanted to show you, this is a system that I use with my clothes when I'm traveling too, which 98% of the time when I'm traveling, I have just a backpack, no suitcase, because I like to fly on Allegiant because it's really cheap. And I roll my clothes together. So this is an example of how I roll my workout clothes together. So each one of these rolls is a top, a sports bra, and a bottom. And so as I take the laundry out, instead of folding them, I roll them together. So in the morning I just pull one out and it's ready to go. And so I do this with my clothing when I'm traveling. I roll the outfit together, put it in one of those space bags, the air, you suck the air out with the vacuum cleaner. And I get those at the Dollar Tree. I think they say that they're the large ones, but anyway, you just suck the air out, it fits in my backpack. I've done like 4 or 5 days at a time. And then I do laundry while I'm there usually too. And I've left some clothes at my kids' houses, which help with that. But this rolling system seems to make it easier as opposed to having them in a stack, because then you can't see what's on the bottom. And anyway, so those are a couple of organizing things that we do here as far as meal planning and some clothing organization. So I just thought I would share that today for our Vlogtober for today. So thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you tomorrow.